Hello guys, and welcome back to our video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to order from Oopbuy, since this question is frequently asked by a bunch of people, and you guys know I've been in this industry for the last 7 years, so let me introduce you. And by the way, this video is only for educational purposes, YouTube. So yeah, now let's start with a video. So as you guys can see on my screen right now, firstly you gotta sign up and make an account. You can make that with the first link in the description that you can find. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but the affiliate link gives you guys coupon code, so I think it's a win-win situation, and thanks to you guys I can make more videos like this. So first off, after making sure that you have signed up and you have made an account, you will see the whole homepage on Oopbuy. But now comes the question, how do we get the products? Well, lucky for you, I've already put down a whole spreadsheet which you guys can scroll through and find all the products that you guys want, which is linked, one link below the sign up link. So here, as you guys can see, you can just browse for any single item that you want. We have like a bunch of items you guys can scroll through. So after finding an item, you guys can scroll through whichever you want, which you're just gonna choose these Vans, which are the old school version. After that, you can directly open up in your browser and check it out, and here you can see the pictures of them, and then you can see also like the variants of them, the colors and all of that stuff, and the sizes. So after that, you just select your size, select the color, you basically press buy now. After pressing buy now, you're basically gonna be forwarded to the paying page where you have your address. By the way, editor censor this because I don't want people popping at my home. You will have your items here, then you just press submit order. Afterwards, you will click on your little profile picture right here. It will redirect you to your home page, and then you click on the orders tab. And after clicking on that tab, you will see that your order, for an example, is ordered, which means the agent will buy it from the seller and the seller will ship it to their warehouse. This process will take around about 3 days, but after that's settled, you're good to go to ship it out. And now let me show you where you can actually find the specific items that you've ordered in the warehouse. So after them arriving in the warehouse, that means they're stored and they're ready to ship. You can find this on the warehouse tab on the left side. Here, for an example, I have some items. Then you can check if the quality of the item is good. Of course, sometimes it can happen that it's bad, but if you guys just use that spreadsheet, it's not gonna happen. Let me just show you. You can basically just open the picture, check the quality check of each item, see if you like it or not, zoom in. If there's any quality problems, you can always return the item, but by the way, you have a deadline of 7 days, so it's going to be in the warehouse for 7 days. That's the time that you can send it back. If the seller's nice, they're going to accept the refund, but if you miss those 7 days, it's not possible. So after that, you can just select all the items that you want to ship out, then you can press create a parcel, and here you should input your address. By the way, editor censor this out, and then we were gonna scroll down. You can check all the items you have. You can either remove the shoebox, remove the original packaging, and honestly I would recommend you guys to remove everything you have. So you just click here, remove all shoe boxes, remove all original packaging, because of course it's gonna catch dust when you're gonna order a shoebox because you're not gonna use it day to day. Or you can even choose to fold the shoebox if you guys don't want to remove it, which will look something like this. Afterwards, you gotta scroll down, select all the items that you had, select the shipping line. As you guys can see, for me the shipping is a bit more expensive, but that's because for me there is no air freight. But for an example, for you guys, the shipping price will be around about $15 per kilogram, which is pretty good. And here you can also select all the things that you want to add to your haul to protect it. If it's the stretch film, the packaging reinforcement, all of the stuff. For me, I don't really care because nothing really happens. But for Europeans, you guys know how DHL be throwing out packages, or the USA people. So yeah, make sure to get that if you guys want to be extra sure. But here you can also buy protection, which is very important. And this is where the coupon code jumps in, because if you guys use the coupon code VALK, which I'll show you how to redeem, you will get a cheaper shipping. Then you just press purchase protection. As you guys can see, yes, it costs $20, but if your haul gets seized, you get back $618, which is the value of the haul. And you also get the shipping refunded, which means you pay $20 to insure $700 of products, which is pretty good. And afterwards, you just press submit parcel, use coupon. Then for the coupon section, you will be able to select a few if you're gonna make an account with a link in bio. And after, you just click ship out your haul, and then basically now you wait 14 days for your haul to arrive, and then you can enjoy the unboxing. And yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to comment down below, and peace out.